Hello everyone! Today we're going to dissect the gomamela, also known the hibiscus, to understand how flowering plants reproduce. This is a complete flower because it has both male and female reproductive parts. Let's dive in.
Okay, so we discuss first the receptacle and sepals. So at the base, this is the receptacle which holds the flower. And this green leaf, these structures are the sepals. They protected the flower when it was still a bud. This, the sepals. And this is the petals. These bright petals aren't just for show, their job is to attract pollinators like bees and butterflies with their vibrant colors. Now look at this long tube. This yellow, the powdery tips are what we call the anthers. This, supported by tiny stalks called filaments. This, the filaments. And together they make up the stamen, the male part of the flower. The anthers produce pollen grains which are essential for fertilization. Okay, next. This is the female part. This is what we call the pistil or carpel. And it has the three main sections. First is stigma. This stigma, these five sticky yellow spots at the very top, they catch the pollen. And the second is style. This style, the long tube that leads down from the stigma. And the third is the ovary, located at the very base, and inside the ovary are the ovules. So once fertilized by pollen, the ovules become seeds and the ovary turns into fruit. Okay, so to recap, the stamen creates the pollen, then the stigma catches it, and the ovary turns into a new generation of plants. So that's the magic of reproduction in a gomamela. And that's all for today, and thanks for watching. Bye!